Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. So children, today we'll be learning the sound E. The letter for this sound is E and the sound it makes is E. It's a short sound. We will not get confused with A. This is E. E is for egg. E, egg. E is for elephant. E, elephant. E is for elbow. E, elbow. E is for envelope. E, envelope. E is for exercise. E, exercise. E is for engine. E, engine. So these were some of the words that begin with the sound E. The letter for this sound is E. Let's go through them once again. E is for egg. E, egg. Egg. E is for elephant. E, elephant. Elephant. E is for elbow. E, elbow. Elbow. E is for envelope. E, envelope. Envelope. E is for exercise. E, exercise. Exercise. E is for engine. E, engine. Engine. Now children, turn to page number 6 of your picture book and let's go through the pictures. E is for elephant. E is for egg. We will not do ear and eagle because the sounds are different. Hope you all enjoy the video. Thank you.